Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We're now going to have part 20 of our HMS hood build. Okay, so we're on part 20 of our HMS hood build and it's absolutely flown by. We've got loads done on our model so far. We've still got to add a few little details here and there, make some guns up and everything like that, and then start the main structure of the superstructure as well, so we can start doing that soon as well. So let me show you what we're going to be doing in this video. Okay, so this is what we're going to make up today. We're going to make up this little platform here, add these details to it, and this little part of photo etch here. I'm not going to put the ladder on just yet. I'll put that on at a later stage. We also got to make up these little guns here. So I don't know what these are. These may be like anti-aircraft guns or something. Look like anti-aircraft guns anyway. So we're gonna have to make 4 of them up, and yeah, we're gonna have 2 of them just like this, and then we're gonna have another 2 on this platform with the photo etch rail. We're gonna make this part here, which looks like an aerial. We're gonna make up a couple of ladders as well to go down in here. So these are gonna go down in this area here, and just at the top here we've got a couple of parts. So we're gonna make this one here. This light, this spotlight, we're going to make that up as well. So these ones we will make up probably in the next video. But yeah, we're going to make that up. We're going to get all this out as well, ready for painting as well. So we don't actually need to bring the ship down today. As you can see, we're just working on little bits and pieces and getting things ready to go on the ship. So probably what I'll do is I'll make everything up in this video, and then the next video we'll probably start fitting it to the ship. So we're going to start off this week with this part here, and as you can see, I've already gone ahead and put most of the supports on the inside of there. There's just one more to go on the inside, and that is this one here. So I'm going to quickly put that one on. I'll put a little video up here, like a speed build of me putting them in while we do this one, so you can see them both. But yeah, it's exactly the same really. So this is going to go just here. We can pick this part up. And lower that one into place, and just hold it there for a few seconds, let the glue take to it, just like so. Next we're going to put on this bit of photo etch here. This is just going to go on the outside here, so we can get some glue around there. I'm just going to put a line of glue all the way around and line it up with this glue part. And back there, so about halfway round. Just like so, and then we can take our part and lower that down onto there. So let's take this one. Just sort of going to go from the underside and attach into the centre. I'm going to try and get it straight. Line that up just there. Now just go around and touch up and make sure it's straight all the way around. And there we are. That is that bit of photo etch on there. Now we're going to add some parts into here. So just on either side we're going to add a couple of details. This one, this detail is E37. Lower that one onto there. When you do exactly the same on this side, just lower this one down. Just there, one more in the centre, and lower this one down. And there we are. That is that part. Sort of done for now. We can put this to the side and we can work on something else. So next we're going to make up one of these spotlights here, and you have to make up 6 of these. I've already made up 5, which I've got in this little coffee lid. I'm going to make this one up now and show you how to do it. So we're going to need some Tamiya in the top. And we can lower the actual light part, the lens part on the front, just like so. Make sure that's really on there. Then either side there's a hole, so we can poke this into each side. There's a little detail on the top, make sure that is at the top, and this now can move just like so, and then simply we just got to add it onto the platform. So let's take our spotlight, lower it down into the platform just like so, and that is our spotlight ready to go on. So this is just ready for painting now. Now taking two of the spotlights, we're going to add them to these little platforms. So we're going to I don't know if you can just plug them in and will they stay. How good is the fit? We'll find out now. If it's quite a tight fit, I wouldn't even bother gluing them. And so they're not too bad, they're going to go in there. I'm actually just going to leave them loose so I can turn them and rotate them. So they're going to go in there, but I'm going to fully paint these up first and then we can plug them in. Now taking this part here, we can add some super glue to this part around the top, because we're going to add some photo etch onto there, which is this one here. So I'm just going to slide this one down, that fall down till it hits the glue on that side, and then this part is just going to be bent up. Sort of like that. So we also have to make up some more of these little stairs, so we're going to do that now. So I'm going to bring over the stairs photo etch. So we fold one side up 90 degrees and then we fold the other side up exactly the same, just like so. Now we need to just turn all the steps. So I usually do them, start from the top, start twisting each one down all the way down. There we have our steps, so we need to make 4 of them, so I've got a couple more to do, and there we are. That is all 4 of them stairs all made up. So now we're going to use these parts here to make up some of the guns that go on the hood. So we're going to put these little tiny 4 parts here on the side. You might not be able to see this because I'm having to use a magnifying glass to see these because they're so small. So I'm going to try and put these in. That's what we're putting in, them little parts there. And there's 4 holes on the side, you just want to peg them in. That's the first one. Keep going and do all 4, just like so. Now I'm just going to make sure the rotation's right on each of them. Make sure they're all the right way around. It's got a thinner side to this has, so you want to make sure that it's the right way around. That one. There we are, that's all 4 of them on there. So now we can put this on a platform, which is this little platform here. Just turn that round. I'm going to push this platform on. This platform is directional. It does have like a smaller top than the bottom, and they are a tight fit to get it on. There you are. That's that platform on there. Bit of focus. That's the way around you want it. You want a little peg sticking out the bottom, just like that. Now there's 2 parts of photo etch to go in here. We want this one here first. This is the shield, just like so. Now just down the bottom of that, there is 2 little lines. We want to fold them over at them lines and back on itself. So I'm going to do that now. This is the first one. And the second one. This is the Edward shield. Right. And I found it's better just to fold this like that with my hands and give it a little bit of a bend. So you can take some super glue just on the top edge here and down the sides here and down this side here. You can take our shield and we can slot that down now over the top. That's going to sit just on there like that. Very last piece of photo etch now. And this is a really small one, but this is the aiming sights. So we're going to fold this now. This must be folded at the line. Okay, so I'm going to fold these ones down and then the two ends as well over the end. So it sort of turns back on itself. You will really struggle to see that, but I'll show you one afterwards. So some glue just on the front here. This is where this is going. Just to sit just on top there. Just going to hold that to dry, and there you are. You can see our targeting sights on there now. So that is this gun complete. You need to make 4 of them up just like that. And then once you've made 4 of them up, you want to take this platform here, because we're going to add this to this platform. So let's add it to the platform. That's why we needed the little peg sticking out. Just drop this one in. Just like so. There, and then we've just got to put a rail on that. So I'm going to take my rail and I'm going to roll this around here. So you get it how I want it. I'm just going to use my fingers just to roll that round and curve it round. And we've curved that. I'm going to apply some glue all the way around here on this edge of this platform, because we're going to glue it to this edge. Now let's take this platform and this one here, and we're going to lower this down onto that, and again we're going to curve it round. So once you've done that, this is what you should have with your railing on there and your gun on the platform, just like so. So we need to make another one of these up, so we'll have 4 guns all together and 2 of them will be on platforms, just like so. So these are the 2 on the platforms and these are the 2 not on platforms. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've painted everything we've done today. I've even painted these little structures ready to go on in a future video. These little ones, these little huts and everything. So I've done all them, they're ready. I've also done this part here, painted this ready to go on. We just need to add the details onto that. And this platform here I've painted. I'm going to, don't know if I'm going to paint the inside of this decking colour or not too sure yet. And I've painted this part here, which is probably going to sit just on there somewhere. So everything we've done today is here. So we've got these little platforms that the spotlights can sit in. I will show you one of the spotlights in there. So that just sits in there just like that, and that can look up and down, and it can also turn around like that. So let's give you a closer look at the spotlights. So there is one of the spotlights. As you can see, I painted the lenses black just to make them stand out a little. But yeah, really happy with how they turned out. So that's them. We've also got a few little ladders, little steps that we've made up. These are going to be going in as well. We've got our anti-aircraft guns. As you can see, I painted them all grey, and I've painted the barrels of the guns black, just so you can see them. I don't know if they were black or not. I think they were. Some of the pictures I've seen they were black. Some of them I've seen they're actually the same colour as the actual gun. It's grey, but I wanted it black just to break up the colour a bit, make them details stand out. And also we've got the same guns on these platforms as well. So I'll spin that round so you can see it. That's looking really cool. Really happy with how they turned out. So everything that you see here that we've made will be going on in the next video. So this will be going on, but we have to put these on first. So they'll be going on first, and then we're going to apply this part. And yeah, so we're going to add all of that to the hood in the next video. And we're also going to start on this structure part here. There is some parts that it wants us to cut off and make photo etch replacements. I don't know if I'm going to do that yet, but we'll have a look into that and see how different the part's going to be, and what difference it makes, see if it improves it. I know the The Pontos one does improve this part, but I'm not too sure the Edward one yet. I haven't really looked at it, but we'll get that out in the next video and we'll have a look at all and we'll get all the details on it. So that's where we're going to leave it today, guys. I know it doesn't look like we made a lot today, but yeah, that took a fair few hours to make all them little parts up and get it all ready to go on the hood. So yeah, that took a week this week to make that. So next time we're going to put that on the hood and yeah, we'll really start making it pop, getting these little details on. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.